All right, he's gonna use his super strength and he's gonna pull it off. What is up, Goon Squad? Welcome back to the channel. So before we get started, we're gonna go ahead and load this 2018 Camaro ZL1 on the trailer and head to the frame shop because today is finally the day we're gonna get our quarter panel replaced. Finally got it loaded up. A little bit sketchy, huh?
Oh yeah, I was scared to scratch the wheels.
And I think at the shop, we're gonna have a little bit of a flatter surface, so we'll be a little bit less of an incline there. Car is strapped up, man. Look at all this stuff we got in here. We got everything loaded up, everything that we need. We got the tail light there, the rear bumper, and I think we are ready to go. So we're gonna catch you guys at the shop. He's gonna go pick up the quarter panel because we didn't grab the quarter panel, of course. I don't know if any of you noticed that. They probably did. They're like, what the heck?
It's a big box, so we're gonna drop this off, strap the quarter panel, the rear bumper, everything we need. So let's go ahead and drop this off real quick and get it on the frame machine.
All right, so we're actually gonna go to O'Reilly's and grab some supplies. What do we need?
We're gonna get some weld-through primer and some grinding discs.
So this is what we picked up for now. Some self-etching primer, some foam that's gonna go on the inside of the quarter panel. Also some of these. Good bit of, what are these called?
It's grinding discs.
Grinding discs, die grinder discs. So now we're gonna go ahead and lift the frame rack up, set the car up on clamps. He just pulled up with the quarter panel and also the rear bumper here. And we are ready to rock and roll, man. And we made sure to strap it down when we brought it this time. That way we don't lose that bad boy right there. All right, so the car is all set up 100%. It is all level, the clamps are tight. The next main thing is to take this glass out, which is gonna be a little bit tricky, but he's got that tool, man. That's a special tool that comes in handy, man. It's gonna make the job a lot faster. Man.
Kind of scratched up right there, but we're replacing that. So
we're gonna repaint it first with this glass out.
I think this is reusable.
The clips, there's no way to get them out without cutting it.
Yeah, that's
true. We'll just probably clean that up, maybe retint it, and
take it to the window guy. He might do something.
Take care of that.
This didn't damage the molding. Now we need to get this cap off. There we go.
Nice and easy, man.
Not broken.
It's gonna be a little bit harder to pop back in, but I think we'll figure it out, no
We should
problem.
probably relocate it right here.
Or right here, like the classics.
Oh, that'd be legit.
All right, so what is next here? Probably pull that boom over here, right?
No, we actually need to take the battery out of the back and get all these brackets out and get this wiring off and get this evap canister off.
Out of the way. Should be, yeah, first start with the battery. That way if you unhook any electronics, it won't mess with anything. So you can go for that first. All right, so before we get started, we just want to double check the front end, see if everything is still there, if the frame didn't get knocked off. So let's go ahead and check it out. Look at that.
Boy.
Perfect.
So the front section's all straightened up, aligned. Good thing that the frame rails didn't bend all the way back there, so we're good on the front end. Good.
There, man.
We're gonna get started on the back. We're gonna go ahead and grab this rebar and pull it out. We'll just do a little simple pull. Just gonna grab it right here so we can get to this bolt in here. Woo!
We need these two little pieces, don't we?
Yeah, it's for the bumper.
We'll put those on later. There's a new one. It should just fit right up there.
Yeah.
Go ahead and try it. If it does, man, it's gonna be a good sign, a very good sign. Dang, dude, that is actually a very good sign right there.
So should we leave it or put it on
let's
later?
take it off because we gotta be pulling right here with what I call a side clamper.
So,
Who remembers this?
if you know what that is, let us know in the comment section down below.
Look, we had to weld a chain to it. It's still here.
That is crazy.
Little souvenir for you.
I'm gonna sign it.
Yeah, we left that for the V-Tune.
We gotta hang it up on
He
the wall
wanted
right
it,
here.
so we left it. Yep, hang it right there. It's gonna stay there for a couple of years. Alright, so he's gonna actually try the sliding hammer instead of that clamp there because it should be pretty easy. It should come out. Next tool, the giant C-clamp.
Giant C-clamp. Simple but effective.
So the main focus is to try to get as much of this as straight as
Just
possible.
pull it out. It doesn't matter if it's
It's not perfect, right?
You guys got the tail light, yeah?
Yep.
What about the bumper?
Yep.
Alright, we're ready to party. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and pull the trunk lid off and then start cleaning up all the seams to expose the spot weld so we can go ahead and drill them off and take this 1/4 panel off.
Yes, sir, man. I'm ready to take this bad boy off. I mean, we got to straighten as much as possible. Just ready to just get dismantled.
Alright, so I got a wire wheel on the grinder. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of all this seam sealer.
It's gonna be messy, boys. Make sure you're wearing the proper protection. He's got a face mask, and he's also gonna wear these head muffs.
Surprisingly, this GM metal is really soft. I was able to drill out these spot welds in a matter of a couple minutes.
It's really easy. It's
Yeah,
not typical.
compared to like a Volkswagen where it takes
Hours.
hours to drill out that much, but
These spot welds are moving along really quick, so great progress.
so now I'm gonna go ahead and use this chisel to split these spot welds. I'm gonna take the 1/4 panel off.
And then you're gonna cut, right? with
Yeah,
the
I'm gonna
grinder?
cut it right here. This is where we're gonna splice
it
the
in.
new one in.
All right, so all of the spot welds are pretty much all chiseled, other than I guess over here, the bottom.
Yeah.
But we gotta first make some cuts, right?
Yeah, we're gonna make a nice cut right here, and then make another nice cut up here.
And then the 1/4 panel's about to get ready to be pulled off. It is coming along real nice and smooth so far. he's not. He's pulling her off. Look at him. Dang. Check this out, guys. This is amazing. And it's gonna get replaced with the OEM one. Actually, there is no foam back here.
Yeah,
this is the only foam.
I thought this thing was filled
Yeah,
like
I did
some
too.
cars.
We took off the old quarter panel, everything looks good underneath. Now we're gonna go ahead and prep all the surfaces. We gotta take off some of this glue and we're gonna wire all that, clean up all this area where we need to weld it.
All right, so we went ahead and brought in the new quarter panel here. It is the moment of truth here. Man, look at that OEM style quarter panel. Go ahead and trim it up, do a couple trims. We'll probably
We're gonna go ahead and slice it right there. And then slice it right here like that.
And then right there, a little bit further than what we did there. And it's ready to get put onto the car. All right, so before we do any cutting to the new OEM quarter panel, we're actually gonna go ahead and prep this quarter panel with a die grinder. Just pretty much go ahead and grind everywhere where the spot welds are and where we are gonna be welding. And then we'll be ready to go ahead and cut this and place it onto the car.
Alright, so we got everything grinded nicely. Now we're gonna start on the new OEM panel. We're gonna do some grinding on this part and this part, and we're gonna drill some holes so we can spot weld it onto the car. Alright, so we got everything prepped over there. Now we're gonna go ahead and make the preliminary cuts right here on this quarter panel, so then we can put it on there and make the final cut and line everything up. Alright, so after a lot of test fitting, we finally got everything lined up. Now we're gonna go ahead and grind everything up, drill some holes, and weld it in.
So it is finally time to go ahead and make that final cut right there. And it's gotta be precise, man, so hook it up. It is finally time, guys. He's drilling out the holes, and we're gonna pretty much go ahead and weld those pieces on there for good. We got everything fitted up, everything aligned. Quarter panel is chilling right there. It is prepped. Man, it's been a long night, but here we are, guys. We're about to tack it in. Got the welder set up there, and we are ready to go.
Alright guys, so it's like 5 o'clock in the morning right now. We got a lot of work done, but everybody's tired. We're gonna go home, get a good night's rest, and finish it up tomorrow.
Alrighty guys, so it is actually the next day here. It's actually Sunday, really late, but the framework is completed, it's tacked in, so we're actually gonna wrap it up, put it back on the trailer, and head back to the Goon Squad garage and complete it there. Finally back home, and we're gonna go ahead and unload her, take her in the garage, and we'll go from there. Beauty. All right, so now it is time to make the announcement. We did mention that we were doing a Hellcat giveaway. Not this one, of course. We're not giving that one away. But show them the little emblem right here.
Oh, man.
We did mention we are giving this one away because we are actually getting another one made from our good buddy that actually made that for us. But we want to make it exciting for you guys, a little bit interesting. So we're going to be giving that one away. And we randomly selected one of you guys, and the winner is
Cody Fletcher. You are the winner. Man, you just won this beautiful piece of art right here, this metal laser cut Hellcat symbol. You can go ahead and email us or DM us on Instagram if you have an Instagram, and we'll send this out to you. This thing will head your way. You can put this up in your room or whatever you want, man. This thing's a beast. Sucks to give this thing away, man. I wanted to put it up in the garage,
but we are getting another one, as I mentioned, so that's why we're not. We want to give you guys something awesome. So there you have it, Cody. We're gonna send that your way here soon.
Yeah, make sure you DM us or you email us, and we'll get this out to you. So guys, be sure to wait for the next drop where we will be giving something else away. It may not be one of these, it may be something else, so stay tuned for that because it's gonna be really exciting the next drop we do.
Alrighty guys, so that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. The quarter panel is replaced, all of the framework is done, but catch us in the next video when we're fully gonna be welding it in completely, and then we're gonna start the bodywork process. As you can see here guys, all of the gaps are perfect, OEM style, man. That's why we went with OEM. Everything this car is gonna be 100%, not almost OEM, but OEM for sure.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This thing's a beast. We did put the bumper on and everything lined up perfectly, dude. It is very exciting.
The tail lights went in perfectly. The gaps are fine.
All the gaps are perfect on this car, everywhere, all the way around. No corners cut.
Yeah, we didn't cut any corners on this one.
This is the gap line.
Look at that gap, man.
Perfect.
It's just beautiful.
So here soon we're gonna finish welding it all up. We just tacked everything in to get it in its exact location, so it's perfect, guys. Man, I cannot wait to get this thing welded and start bondoing.
Before you know it, guys, we're gonna be bondoing, and then we're gonna be painting, and then before your very eyes, we're gonna be test driving it, and we're gonna take you guys right along with us, man. This build is gonna be super exciting. I can't wait to test it out, see how it is on the roads, maybe even take it to the track. So guys, if you haven't followed us on Instagram, be sure to do that now. You get the inside scoop there before YouTube. Also, we'll be going live every once in a while, and we'll be answering some of your guys' questions. So be sure to catch us there on Instagram. Guys, be sure to copy some merch at goonsquad.com. And if it's all sold out, just be on the lookout for the new drop and maybe another giveaway. Stay tuned. Thank you guys for all the love and support, and thanks for watching today's video. Peace.